What's up guys, welcome back to another great video. So today back on the vlogging, back at the river. So I'm gonna do a curry kong, shrimp pasta salad, brown stew fish with cranberry sauce, some white rice. So today I do so much amount because I had a lot of persons coming at the river to vlog with us today. So I'm just in at the store, I try to pick up some things. You know I'm a red stripe person, so can't left out the red stripe beer. And I will get some fruit juice because I don't know what the rest of the person them drink. So I get some fruit juice with them. So I get some fruit juice and the general Sam. So we are do the river vlog today. And cameraman, what kind of juice I want? What kind of juice I want?
Can water.
What is it?
See here.
Good.
See that.
So guys, we reach from the river. Basically me I go and clean up the conch. And me have the fish them, so you know when we reach from the river we don't really have no time to waste. I mean, so it's quite a few of us today. So we have visitors today. My best friend, so one of my brethren. And we have some other persons, like she is one of my other best friend, Nicole. So big up to Nicole guys. She is hiding from the camera today. Okay. So we just there go and vibe, me and them today at the river, cleaning off the conch. So I'm cutting off the part that are not allowed to eat, which is the horns. I'm using some salt, and the salt is going to help to break down the slime. So we finished cleaning off the conch guys. I'm scraping the fish now. So I'm gonna go light up the fire here now in a second. From now. adding some vinegar, washing the conch and the fish. I'm just adding in the scallion, some salt and some cooking oil, so I'm gonna boil off the macaroni. So I'm just beating the conch, guys, just to get it a little bit tender, make it much more easier to cook. So after beating the conch, I'm gonna scald it. Water boil up, add in the macaroni. I add some salt in the water, so I add piece of scallion and a pepper. Just scald off the conch for 20 minutes. So I'm adding in the frozen vegetable. So I'm cooking the frozen vegetable with the macaroni. So guys, we're up on the river again today. Beautiful scene, different river. So we're shooting the video we're trying to give different scenery when you come onto rivers, different views. So, and you know, we're under the bamboo tree this time. We are at the different river. So we are shooting the video under the bamboo tree, and it's natural. You can see the water, the breeze, everything is blowing. It's amazing when you come on to nature. So I'm just going to put in the work. Add in the conch. Season up the fish, so I'm using some fish season. Rubbing the season into the inside and the core. I'll leave them to marinate. Check on the macaroni. Check pani again, guys, so practically done cook. Take off, you know. Drain off the water. show you out in the container and make it stay there and go and pour out. Try to pick them now. So I'm adding a piece of scallion, 2 stalker, garlic, just to help you add flavor in the oil. So it will basically enhance the flavor of the fish. I'm going to try to shoot the video soon and quick as possible because you hear the thunder start rolling already. I find it also hot up some more. The thunder actually a roll. Hopefully we can push out this video soon as possible. Cooking oil. I'm just gonna scald out the shrimp for 5 minutes. I'm gonna use the shrimp into the pasta salad. So it's a shrimp pasta salad, guys. Taking out the last fish. So all of them finished frying now. Taking out the frying. So I'm gonna make the shrimp pasta salad. So I'm adding in some sweet corn. I'm adding in the shrimp. So I'm using some tomato, bell pepper, scallion, just mixing them. Add some mayonnaise. Adding just a little bit of brown sugar. Taste here now and see what I go on. Yes, good guys, but the thunder roll. So I'm gonna try to see how fast we can finish the video. Head back home from the river. So I'm adding just a little bit of pepper. Just to add some more flavor and a little bit of spice. Currently cutting up the conch, guys. cool off long enough now. Season up the conch. I'm using a little bit of garlic, fish seasoning, spoon, 1 spoon of all-purpose, piece of thyme, onion, adding some garlic, pimento seed, the rest of the scallion. Adding some pepper. So I'm going to put on the pot right now because the time not really did it. The rain have come down. So I'm not really have a time, guys. Hopefully if you make it to see the end of the video, that means the vlog completed. So I'm gonna burn the curry, guys. So you can smell the aroma from the curry. And you know they are the better pack curry I use. I know it is the best curry to use. I'm adding in some vegetables. Carrot, Irish, onion, scallion. So I make the general tasty conch and tell you what I go and feel. There one. Just right. Alright. I'm making the sauce for the fish. Sauteing the vegetables. Sauteing the vegetable for a minute. Adding some pepper. Using some fish and meat sauce. Use some of the cranberry juice, guys. Conch going good. Bubble up, smell real awesome. Shout out to the cameraman. You know, him are the one who make the thing possible, doing a good job. Adding a little bit of the soy sauce, about a teaspoon. Checking on the conch, finish. Pot is so hot, guys. Placing the fish in the sauce. Guys, I'm hoping the vlog will really finish, because the rain will come down, the place all get dark. Just adding the sauce over the fish just for about a minute or two. Let the fish then simmer down in the sauce. Guys, the rain will fall. I'm adding some bell pepper. Shred the cucumber. The rain will fall hard. And the worst part about it, we are not home. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar. And just a little bit of brown sugar. Guys, the people have a shelter because rain has fallen. So, but we still have to try to make the video work because we're already at the river already. So we have to find a way how to finish the vlog. And I mean, and we're using the GoPro Hero 8. So you know the vlog can go through. The only thing where I not really want to start is when the lightning start flash. That's the only part where you know serious, but still I push through the vlog. And big up to everybody who come on the vlog today. We just shoot the vlog and have an amazing day today, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna wash the rice and put on it now. As me practically done, it's just the rice alone me have to wash and put on the fire. So me just add in quarter stick of butter in the pot, piece of scallion, piece of thyme, some salt. And I wait for it to boil up, then wash the rice and put on. the rain kind of ease off. Which is good. Wash up some of the things them. So we just add the rice in the pot. So go and make the rice go on dry down before we wrap it so it can stay there and steam. Everybody there on the river see and we just have a vibe, guys. It's a cameraman we have, is it?
Food bad.
So we have to say Spencer.
Food is nice.
Respect General.
People, I try a thing. Guys, so this is my second attempt.
That better.
Not the one the better.
Man, water so sweet.
Guys, yeah, we're gonna make a couple more jump off. It's been a while, like jumping off of the rope in the water. When so much of growing up, you know what I mean? So let's go.
People, so reach the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more awesome outdoor cooking videos. Peace out.